You know when you love that special pet, and no matter where in the world you're going, you just have to take your pet along with you? Well, this might be just the case, because he is riding with a goat on top of the bicycle with him. Can you imagine? Can you imagine if that goat ever let go? I want to become the goat. The goat are going to become curry goat. Yo. The goat is holding on. Me don't know what the goat I use for hold on. Me don't know what the goat I use, you know. But on a serious note though, why would you go riding around town with your pet on the back of your bicycle? Especially a goat. What could be the urgency of all of this now? No man. I see a pig the other day on a bike, and now me I see goat. What else me I go see? Cat, rat, a bat, a dog.